Hello, friends. Let's learn 3 fun sounds in English today. K, g, and y. K makes the sound k. Listen. K, cat. Can you say it? Cat. Now try cup, car, cake. Great job. Next is g. It makes the sound g. Say it with me. G. Go. Now you try gum, gate, gift. Well done. Now let's do y. Y sounds like jump. Say it. Jump. Now say juice, jelly, jacket. You did amazing. Now let's say them one more time. K, cat, cup, car, cake. G, go, gum, gate, gift. Y, jump, juice, jelly, jacket. See you next time for more sounds.
Subscribe to our channel and watch our longer videos to keep learning and practicing English.